Hello, my name is Can Davutoğlu. I'm the CEO of Keytask, and we have developed Intact, which is our test automation framework. And I would like to give you some insights related to international roaming in comparison to our competitor. So we are using real devices, and real devices have a lot of benefits. So that they have built-in features and functionalities. Our competitors use modems. Um, this requires additional software development in order to provide basic functionality. We can run apps on the mobile devices. Modems don't. There is no UI streaming on the modems. We have implemented UI streaming and audio streaming so we can see what's happening on the phones. So this is one major benefit. With our mobile devices, we are much closer to the user behavior than when you are programming a modem. A second important topic is that the code writing is totally different. So we have prepared our solution with a low-code environment. We have integrated Cucumber, and we are using English sentences to describe our scripts. When you are doing modem coding, you have Python coding normally, or you have graphical coding, building blocks which you put together. It is quite complex to integrate such a solution with new open source tools. Data exchange between the modules is much more difficult. You need to develop additional code, and reporting becomes also complicated. On the other side, with our solution, with a built-in reporting environment, we can easily generate reports. We automatically collect evidence and stick everything together. And we even do automated verification of the evidence. And this is also triggered automatically by the environment. Another big difference is that our solution is capable to handle complex, really complex use cases. So for instance, if you have a multi-SIM environment where you have 10 SIM cards which are belonging to one person, and you have a call to this group, and this group is doing a call forwarding to another group of 10 devices, then you have in total 21 mobile devices in one use case. And we are capable to handle these kind of complexity in our use cases. If you have multi-ringing, we identify that one phone is ringing, the others not, and so on. So it is really a big advantage to have an out-of-the-box solution which can handle this. If you want to do something like that with a modem solution, it will be really pain in the ass. Another functionality is that we can view all the activities which are ongoing during a test case. So we have created this environment where you have the locations where you have your roaming boxes, where you have different devices. You start test cases and you exactly see what's happening, for instance, in Paris with your SIM card currently when you are making a call, or if you are running an app or using WhatsApp in order to do some messaging. This is also one major difference to the modem solution. Another big advantage is that we have implemented multi-tenancy. So this means we have a big environment of hundreds of devices, and we can assign a certain group of devices and SIM cards and IPSs to a project and to a tester, and the others will not see what this guy is doing with his device. They will even not know that they are existing. So this is a major thing which makes projects much easier to run and helps testers to do their work. Another important topic is the integration, the ease of integration. So we have a solution which is capable to control the devices and so on, but we have also the integration layer for integrating it with telephony application server, with an intelligent network solution, so that we can create the subscriber from scratch, we can create the tariffs from scratch, assign it, and run the test cases. On the other side, when the reports are written, we push them automatically to Jira or to Alm. Another big advantage is that we have implemented a calendar. With this calendar, you can book your testing resources and the locations and the project in beforehand, and then the testers can exactly in that time window run their test cases, and they will not be disturbed by the others related with this multi-tenancy feature. But you have also a capability of booking and controlling your project in advance with your testers for a given test topic, test object. Last not least, we have also built in out-of-the-box dashboards and reporting of the solution. So we have pie charts, we have heat maps out of the box linked to the project, and when you click on one of these red boxes which indicated that there was a failed test case, you will directly linked with the report which is in our reporting solution, and the report will be opened, and you have all the evidence and everything needed to analyze your test case in your hand. Yeah, these are the main topics what we have in comparison to our competitors. I hope you liked it. Please contact us if you need more information. You can call me anytime. Bye bye.